Hello, welcome to all of you. My name is Kamal Preet and welcome to this YouTube channel, that is Preet Online Classes. Today I'm going to start with a new topic of my Python series, that is classes and object. And today I thought let's give you this about the theory of this on this whiteboard. So let's start it. Okay, chaliye. This classes and object is a concept come from a term that is known as OOP. OOP means object-oriented programming. Although there are many languages based on this, like C++, Java, and this Python also working on this OOP. So this classes object concept come from this OOP. Although I'm not going in detail of this OOP part because I have to give the concept of this classes, but I just need to tell you from where it came from. It's the concept of OOP, object oriented, because Python is everything is on object only. Everything is a part of object. Every variable is a part of object. Right? So this all are the part of OOP terms. Okay. What are classes? Classes, I'll just say, give you a very layman example, I can say. For example, teachers. Let's take the example of teachers. Teachers comes under a many category. Like I am a teacher, and I belongs to I am a college going teacher. So my category will be from college teachers. I am a college teacher. If I belong to a school going teacher, so my category will come under the school going teacher. Or if I used to teach in institutions or in a coaching institute, so my category will come under my institution level teachers. So there are some categories. There are some different blocks for all the teachers. All teachers are not same. Everybody is having their own identity. Every category is having their own functionality. They are having their different features. So that is your majorly work come under a class. That is a class. Okay. For example, I'm taking a class, say as chalo teacher hi le lete hain. Teacher. One thing in Python, in every language, the class name should be started with a capital letter, T. So for example, I have given the name as in T, teacher. So the T should be in capital letters. Okay. And you have to put colon here after defining a class. Okay. Then, right now I'm not just going into Python. I'm just giving this feature of classes and object. So class is a teacher. Name of my class is teacher. Okay. This is a block. I am a college teacher. So I am putting myself in this category. So what are the features of this college going teachers? They used to take the classes of college level. Okay. So might be name of the college, I should say. Ek meri property ho gayi, name of the college where I am teaching. So name. Okay. Or in which department I am taking the classes. So my another property will be department. Chalo, ek example le lete hain. What be my salary? So this is my another property. So this block is having three properties: name, department, and salary. Okay. And what other we have in this? Like what I'm doing? I'm teaching. I'm teaching a computer subject. Okay, so this is my function. What I'm doing, what I have to go for the college, I used to teach there. And I belongs to a computer science department, so I'm teaching there. So this is my function name. So see, as my department name is computer science, I'm teaching there. So I used to take the lectures. I'm not taking a practical labs. I'm taking the theory classes there. So I'll give my function name as, for example, theory. So function name, as I told you, should be in round bracket. Theory classes I used to take over there. Any more functions, say as sometime I used to take the classes of history also. Theory of history I should write here. So I have put one more function. So what is this class? It is a collection of these properties, or you would say name of variables, or we used to say here as an attribute, as well as the function. Okay. What working we are doing in that? This teacher is having what kind of variable or what kind of attributes, these kind of variable and attributes, or what function they are using, for what purpose I'm taking these variables, for doing some functions, for some doing some work over there, doing some task. So I have to perform these functions there. Okay, with the help of these variable, I'll take these variable help and do my function. Okay, so class is what? Is a block where we used to save a variables or attributes we used to say, or a member functions there. Okay, so this is the working of class. Your structure. एक example ले लेते हैं. If I need to make one building, so I have to make some structure. I need to make some blueprint for that building. Okay, so that class is your blueprint. It itself cannot do anything. It can have something with that. What it can have salary. Sorry, it can have variable or attributes, or it can have the functions. But class itself cannot do anything. For that, we need some help from other sources. That other is known as instance. Instance. And that is the part of your this object. Okay, that is the part of your object. Now here I need to take the help of this object. With the help of object only I can access this member function or these variables. So object is your instance. Instance of what? Instance of my this class. For example, I have given the name for this my instance as T1. So T1 is an instance of teacher. With the help of this T1, I can access these functions. And in one class, you can have as many as instance. Might be possible. I have this computer science department. The name of the class is teacher only. Computer science department का अलग है. एक अलग कोई department ऐसे as for sociology, history. They have some other functions. या ये वो इन्हीं functions को वो use कर रहे हैं. So for that I need another object if I need. So I can take as many as object from one single class. Okay. Now how to work with this class or how to write the class in Python or how to use this object in Python, we'll do it in my practical class. That I'll show you. I'll share my screen on that. So till now, I hope you are able to clear the concept. What is classes and what are objects? Class is a structure, a block where you are storing your variables and the functions. Variables are the part which take the help of these, this member function take the help of variables and complete their tasks. And class itself cannot do anything. We need to take the help. And that help is what? Your object. What is object? Object is an instance of class. Okay. We can use this object and I can access these member functions in my class. And we can create as many as objects in my single class. Okay. I hope you are able to understand this concept, and I'll continue with this this topic in my lab class, your practical class, so that I can tell you how in Python we used to define a class, or how to work on with objects, or how to work with this member functions and these methods. Okay. So I hope you like this video. Do share and give your comments, valuable feedback also in the comment box. Thank you.